How to enable voice chat in Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to open Roblox application on your device. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the more option, and from here you need to go to settings. In the settings, the first thing that I need to explain is to go to the account info. If you cannot enable the voice chat, there must be one problem that you need to solve it before enabling the voice chat, and that is that you need to verify your age on Roblox. So here, as you can see, I hide that one, but as you can see, it is verified. So you need to verify your age first. If you don't know how to verify your age on Roblox, you can find the link of that video in the description. I already posted it on my channel. So watch it and verify your age first. Once you verified your age, then you need to go back to the settings again. And once you go to the settings, you need to tap on privacy and content maturity. So once you tap on that, it will take a bit of time to load. And the next thing you need to do is to tap on communication. So once you tap on communication, here is the voice chat at the third number here, as you can see. Then you need to tap on that, and here enable microphone. So all you need to do is to enable it. So once you enable it, as you can see, they say it is successfully enabled. So now you can go back and play the games that you want. Some games will allow the voice chat there. If they allow it, you can now have voice chat on those games. So guys, this is all it takes to enable voice chat in Roblox. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.